guys, welcome back to Tutorial Tuesday. This look is day 24 in my 100 Days of Makeup challenge on Instagram and my 4th Tutorial Tuesday during the challenge. By the time this video is up, there will probably already be a lip sync and the stills of this look on Instagram, so head on over there and check them out. This week I decided to transform myself into Puppet from Five Nights at Freddy's 2. It was requested by one of my lovely viewers. I love doing things that you guys request, so if you do have anything you'd like to see in my 100 Days of Makeup challenge, let me know down in the comments. And let me know if there's any looks from my 100 Days of Makeup that you'd eventually like to see tutorials for. As always, all the products used will be listed in the description below, and with all of that said, let's get into the tutorial. So I've already engaged in full potato mode by blocking out my eyebrows and applying a bald cap. Now I'm mapping out the features. The key to this makeup is hiding your features in its features. I make sure the top of the mouth is right above my nostrils so they will be concealed in the black. And I map out the bottom edge of the eyes along my bottom lash line so the entirety of my eyes will be hidden. I also sketch in the altered head shape since I'm going to be blacking out the sides of my face. Next, I fill in the face with white water-activated body paint. Then I fill in the negative space on the head, my neck, and my chest with black body paint so those areas will blend into my background. I use a smaller brush to fill in the mouth and eyes. I use an even smaller brush to add the signature purple stripes. Then I fill in the cheeks and lips with red body paint. Next, I use gray body paint to add the inner edges to the eye sockets and mouth. I use white grease paint to highlight the cheeks, lips, and stripes. I use a contour shade to add in the furrowed brow and to shade around the head so it looks more rounded. I outline the cheeks and lips with a darker red paint to make them stand out a bit more. And I outline the stripes with a dark purple. I highlight the inner edges of the cutouts with white grease paint so they're a little more defined. I use a black eyeshadow to shade underneath the cheeks, lower lip, and around the curves of the head. Last, I use white grease paint to add in the neck highlight. Thank you so much for watching this week's Tutorial Tuesday. If you'd like to see the pictures and lip sync of this look, head on over to my Instagram. That link and all of my other social media will be listed in the description below. If you have any requests or general questions, comments, or concerns, be sure to let me know in the comments. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.